Hey Subbies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, yada yada yada. Yes, so if y'all see me this video and I'm in the same clothing or whatsoever, yeah, because I'm making two videos at the time. Yes, I'm making two videos at a time. Yeah, but so welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome and welcome to the Subbies group. And also, if you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, what you waiting for? Subscribe. Today I'm gonna do a reaction to Gabriel Henrique. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a reaction video to his music. Yeah, this was like a big idea for one of my subscribers, one of my loyal subscribers. Shout out to you, girl. She told me to react to this song. So right now I'm gonna react to his music. Yes. So this video is gonna be two videos in one day, maybe, hopefully. Though hopefully, it's gonna be two videos in a day. But yeah, so in 3, 1, 2, 3. Is going on to ads, so go. Listen by Beyonce. Yeah. So cover
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody or start but can't complete. Listen to the song from deep breathing. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be but shy and turn into your own. All cause you won't listen. Should have listened. There is someone here inside. Some red thought had died so long ago. Oh, I screaming out, and my dreams will be heard. They will not be but shy some words into your own. I'll cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at the crossroads. I ain't home, my own home, and I'm trying to say to what my mind. You should have known. No, I don't believe in you. You don't know. my all, my all, my all, my
That song is good, y'all. That song right there is really good. Oh my god, did I just sit there and just listen to him singing? Ain't gonna lie, that song is like wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, this feels so. Listen, y'all, listen. Listen, y'all, listen. Because you don't listen, just listen. That song is real good. Like, listen to that song right now. That song is like real good. Like, listen. Oh my god. Gabriel Henrique, love you, boy. Love ya. Love ya. If you see this video, I love you. I love your voice. I love you. I just love. But yeah, that's just 2 videos. I just make 2 videos for y'all. So yeah, y'all are so. Oh, I'm not gonna spoil y'all, but it is so good. Like, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Yep. And also, if you don't know what the thumbs up button is, this is what it's supposed to look like. A thumbs up. Not supposed to look like this though. Press this one, not this one. So that song right there is a song. I ain't gonna lie, that's a song. So yeah, that's a song. So yeah. So these videos, reaction videos, ain't long. They're just like maybe like a 10 minutes or maybe like 10 minutes video or something. But yeah, maybe like a 10-11 minutes video. It's not long though, but it's like maybe like a 10-11 minutes. But I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.